Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode and also remove a screen lock on top of it if you don't know the pattern to it. Now this will not remove your Google account, so after the reset, when you're doing the setup, you will need to confirm it by putting your email address and the password for that email. So to get started, we'll need to, well, number one, I'm going to lock the device so you can see that there is a pattern, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So we'll need to shut off the device forcefully, because otherwise it will tell us put in the pattern, as you will see right now, to shut it off. So from here, what you want to do, so you want to hold power key and volume down to forcefully shut it off. Keep holding it till it shuts off, and then once it does, immediately switch to holding power key and volume up. And this will boot us up into the recovery mode. Unless it doesn't turn off and just the screen goes off. So let's try that again. Let me just do it. So, gonna unlock it and immediately hold power key, volume down. It goes off, power key, volume up. And for some reason I can't turn it off right now. Let's try that again in this case. Let's try it maybe from here. So power key, volume down, power key, volume up. There we go. So when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can let go. So from here, we will need to select Wipe Data Factory Reset using volume keys to navigate, like so. And once it's selected, confirm it with the power key. And once more, select Factory Data Reset, power key to confirm it. The process will begin, and then at the bottom you will see Data Wipe Complete. And Reboot System now should be selected by default, so all you need to do now is simply press power key. Now the device will now reboot, as the name states, but it will also continue the process of reset in the background, so it will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.